Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday. Mood meter check in. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling happy. Let's move over to the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the Republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Days of the week. Yesterday, we were Monday. Today, we are Tuesday. Tomorrow, it's Wednesday. Then Thursday, then Friday, then Saturday, then Sunday. Today, we are Tuesday, August 25th, 2020. Let's review the months of the year. We start off with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. A reminder to everyone, please stay active. Go out and play. Don't just be inside. Remember, go out, have some fun, break a sweat, then go back inside. Today's agenda, we will work on math and algebra. Stay tuned. Social skills lesson of the week. Reminder, don't quit. And lastly, teacher contact information. All right, Peacocks, let's have a great one.